Yes. Isusum ko gago. Wait mo na yun, pre. Wait mo na. This is our project. Bago project pa yun. Just play. Putang ina, saan ba? Outside. See that? It's outside. Outside. A varsity is losing. Yeah, that's right. Sapo. And the varsity is getting his revenge. And the varsity is getting his revenge. He's sitting up. Bawi. You got to have super. Yes. There is a bike there. You can train. It's too high. Warning. Parental guidance is a thing.
It's outside.
Pagpasensyaan nyo na po, nagmura po ang isa dyan. Warning.
See that? Bro.
He's sitting up. Ow.
He catches the ball.
Ow.
My foot was bad.
Shit. I'm sorry, audience.
Sorry about what I got.
And they are playing playground.
Baby. Ganda tayo.
They need to bring a second defender to try to get that ball.
Right up. You know.
Wow.
Hold your breath.
Warning. Tip 1. Don't sing while playing badminton.
Tip. That's a tip. Don't sing. See that? I got
Yes.
a varsity smash. See that? I defeated him.
Boom.
Varsity of Ateneo.
Munti ka na po ako tamaan. Nagpapawis na po ang player. What is that?
Sorry. I was gonna do that. See, I catch it.
Any catch? Catch. Boom.
Boom.
This is from our sponsors from FIBA 2012. Coming soon on Xbox 360, PS3, and PSP. You almost shot me, you stupid. What is that? Ow.
I'm so tired. Okay. I just finished playing basketball.
Yes. He don't care.
See, he can't catch it.
He's too slow.
He's a loser.
Ow. Outside.
Boom! Fuck, baby.
This is LA Lakers versus the New York Knicks. Kobe. Yeah, I'm a trash talker here. Outside.
Thank you for watching.
Oh, yeah.